Hi friends, in this quick video tutorial I'm going to show you how to freeze your Snapchat location. So without wasting the time, I'm going to show you the exact method how you can completely freeze your Snapchat location so that your friend can't locate you. So I'm going to show you the simplest step. First of all, open your Snapchat application, and if I tap on this location icon here, and here I can see the locations of my friends who have turned on. So to turn off, tap on profile icon and then tap on setting icon on top right corner, and after that scroll down a little bit, and here you will find an option in the privacy control section. See my location, tap on that and must turn on this ghost mode. You can enable ghost mode for hours or until I turn off. So in this way you can see when enable, your friends can't see your location. So now I'm going to show you the second method, which is very helpful. Tap on settings, scroll down at the end of your settings, and from here you can tap on Snapchat. So on the first you have see location, tap on that and tap on never. So never ever your Snapchat will allow to locate your friends in this way. So this is the pretty simple. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.